Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to quickly search an image on your Google Pixel phone. Now this feature is very helpful if you want to check some more information on a photo or if you want more details about a photo, and it can be done in seconds. So in my gallery I have this image. Now if I want to Google search this image, press the right button in the navigation and then you can see there's an image icon. If you press it, it will select the image and then you can search it on Google Lens. Or what you could do is click on this select at the lower right. And then you can select whatever information you want from the image. You can select the text and then search it. But here I'm going to select the image. Then I'm going to click on lens. Now it's going to search all the information related to the same product. That's it. Now you can easily search images on your Google Pixel phone and instantly get more information about it. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more Pixel tips. Thanks for watching.